Welcome to my channel, EasyLingual. Planning a trip to France or just want to sound confident when you say Bonjour? Let's learn 5 French phrases you'll actually use. First up, Bonjour, which means hello or good morning. You'll hear it everywhere, from shops to streets. It's polite, friendly, and always appreciated. Say it with me, Bonjour. Next, Bon après-midi, that's good afternoon. Use it when greeting someone after lunch, especially in formal settings. Try it slowly, Bon après-midi. Slide into the evening with bonsoir, good evening. Perfect for dinner dates, hotel check-ins, or any polite interaction after sunset. Say it with warmth, bonsoir. Next one is excusez-moi, which means excuse me. It's perfect for catching someone's attention or asking to pass through. Pronounce it clearly, excusez-moi. Now let's say thank you, the one phrase every traveler needs. Merci is simple and sincere, merci. Use it whenever someone helps you, serves you, or smiles at you. Say it with me, merci. And just like that, you've unlocked your first 5 French phrases. Practice these daily, and you'll be greeting the world with confidence. Subscribe for bite-sized travel phrases every week, and bon voyage!